Jeera or cumin rice is a quick and simple way to give plain rice a real burst of flavour. It may be simple to make, but the rice does need to be cooked right, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, let's talk rice. For most of my Indian rice dishes, I use Basmati, and for any flavoured rice dishes like this, biryani or pilau, I always opt for the extra long grain variety. It always cooks up soft, fluffy and perfectly separated. Now let's get started by washing the rice. I've washed it 5 times here, and you can see how clear the water is at the end, and this is what you want. Then drain and set aside while we temper the spices. Place a pan over medium heat and add ghee, oil or a mixture of oil and butter. I use ghee here because it gives the rice such delicious flavour, but choose whichever you prefer or have to hand. Next, add cloves and a cinnamon stick and cook for around 30 seconds or until the aroma of the spices comes through. Next, add the cumin seeds and cook for a further 20 to 30 seconds. This will give time for the cumin to flavour the ghee without it burning. Now add the washed rice and stir gently until all the grains are coated in that wonderfully flavoured ghee. You'll notice I'm using a big pan in comparison to the amount of rice I'm cooking, and this is important if you want perfectly cooked rice. A big pan allows the rice to spread out when it's cooking, and this prevents it from sticking together. Next, add water, and it's important to get the rice to water ratio correct. For Basmati rice, whether it's long grain or extra long grain, I use a ratio of 1 to 1.5. So for every 1 cup of rice, I use 1.5 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil, add the salt, put the lid on and reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cook for 12 minutes or until all the water has been absorbed. I recommend using a glass lid, this way you can see what's going on in the pan. Then turn the heat off, keep the lid on and let the rice steam for a further 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, fluff the rice with a fork gently, add the chopped coriander, give it a stir and you're done.